Trick or treat, it's time to eat. Let's make some spiderweb pancakes on our Steelmade flat top. To kick off this recipe, use either a homemade batter or your favorite pancake mix. If you'd really like to dive into spooky season, then you can use some Halloween themed props as well. Once all the ingredients are added, give your batter a big mix. Next, you'll want to transfer the batter from a bowl to a squeeze bottle of some sort. If you do not have one, don't worry, you can always just load your batter into a Ziploc bag and cut one of the bottom corners. Now it's time to make our webs. First, you want to make a big cross followed by an X. Then draw lines out from the crossing points and connect all the lines not quite at the points. Because of how thin these pancakes are, they're only going to need a couple of minutes to cook on each side, so be sure not to burn them. Whenever you flip them, they should be nice and golden brown, and then just after a few more minutes, you're good to plate your food. After you've plated your pancakes, go ahead and add some blackberry spiders on top. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy.